Welcome to another How Did You Do That in Cricut Design Space. Come and conquer Cricut with Jody. That's me. Firstly, this lesson is all about uploading SVG to your canvas. So step 1, we're going to click that upload button on the side panel, which is located on the left hand side of your canvas. Now I've popped up a larger screen here, so with the arrow showing you where the upload button is located, you're going to click on that and it will take you to the next screen. Once you've hit that upload button, you'll be brought to this screen, which is where we will upload our image. So as you can see, we want to hit that upload image green button here as shown with the arrow. So on this larger image, you can see we're going to upload, and there are the compatible files that we can upload onto our canvas. So just click this button. That button, you will come to this screen here where we are going to drag our file in, or we're going to browse our folder where we keep our images. And then once we've done that, you will have your image loaded. As you can see, I've got this cute little Monsters Inc. image here, and then we are going to select the button, the green button on the right hand side. So here you will see that I have named my image, but I'm also adding tags. These are great for when you want to search an image. If you've tagged it, it makes it easier to find. And once you've done that, as you can see, here's the larger image to show you where it's done and what I named it. I also have collections, so what I've done is added mine to my Disney characters collection, which these are great to have, and a new feature in Cricut Design Space to find your images even quicker. I do love this feature, and when you tag or bookmark an image, you can add them to those collections as well. It's a really great feature and I love it. As you can see, our image is now on our canvas, and that is how we load our SVG to our canvas ready to make our project. So once again, I really would like to say thank you for watching. Here's how you can connect with me on my socials, and I really hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. If you have, be sure to subscribe, like and follow, and all that jazz. And until next time, let's hope we've conquered Cricut Design Space for you, and happy crafting! Bye for now.